Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and I know I usually do gaming, but this is a different one. So, a couple years ago, I bought this Rubik's Cube on eBay. Now, it is much different than other ones, and it is the hardest puzzle I've ever encountered. It is the 1x1. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape for 3 years, and I'm excited to try to solve it today. So, what we have here is the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. And you might notice that the stickers have worn off a little, like here. And it needs a little bit of refining. So, since I don't own any stickers, I'm just going to color on it with marker. Where's the dark blue? Oh, here it is. Okay, so we're just gonna color on this 1x1 with some marker to fix it up. And right now it is in one of its many 3 scrambled states. So, this is just one of the scrambled states, but it has 2 more. Another scrambled state is like this, and the final one is this. And your goal is to have the white side facing up, like this, but you have to do some sort of weird combination to actually solve it. So, today, I'll be trying to solve the 1x1. So, it is very hard, and we're just going to try to solve it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes! I got it! I solved it! Yes! Okay, let me just scramble it a little. And, okay. 3, 2, wait. Let me scramble. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. And that is the solved state of the 1x1. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.